Embarking on the journey of starting a social media management business in America is thrilling and potentially lucrative. This industry is witnessing unprecedented growth, driven by the increasing reliance of companies, influencers, and local businesses on social media platforms to connect with their audiences. However, it's essential to equip yourself with the necessary skills before diving in. Mastering content creation, social media marketing, and management across popular platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok will provide you with a strong foundation. Utilize online courses, YouTube tutorials, and hands-on practice to develop these essential abilities. Once you have honed your skills, the next step is crafting a robust business plan. Clearly outline the services you intend to offer, be it social media account management, content creation, or even community management. Deciding your target audience is crucial. Whether you aim to assist restaurants, real estate agents, or e-commerce stores, understanding their needs will streamline your approach. A well-structured plan not only sets your goals but also defines your path to success in this competitive landscape. The administrative side of launching your business involves registering as an LLC, which typically costs between $50 to $500 depending on your state. Additionally, securing an EIN from the IRS is free, and while you may choose to get business insurance, it's often a wise investment. Your office space can begin at home, saving costs significantly, or you may opt for a small office if necessary. Having the right equipment is also vital. Expect to invest roughly $1,000 to $3,500 in essential tools like a reliable laptop, smartphone, high-speed internet, and various software subscriptions. Finding clients is where your networking abilities come into play. Utilize platforms such as LinkedIn, join Facebook groups, and engage in local business networking to spread the word about your services. Offering a free social media audit can be an effective strategy to attract potential clients. As for pricing, small businesses may expect to pay around $500 to $1,500 per month for your services, while larger brands could provide even higher compensation. With minimal startup costs and significant earnings potential, the social media management scene is ripe for new entrants. Lastly, focus on delivering outstanding, measurable results to your clients. Quality content creation and nurturing long-term relationships with clients can help propel your agency to new heights, ultimately turning your venture into a profitable business in the ever-evolving American market.